So we've got this 2020 G63 AMG in for a steering wheel upgrade. This is the basic wheel, so as you can see, like the grips, chrome trim, silver trims, paddles, and the like, plastic airbag cover. We're going to transform this wheel, improve it. We've got a special going on this car, the stitching colour to match and everything like that. We're going to maintain all the OEM functions, so this wheel is heated, we're going to maintain that. It's also got adaptive cruise, we're going to maintain that. And yeah, we're just going to improve this vehicle. The interior of Mercedes, as many know, is bang on anyway, but there's a lot of things you can do, especially around the steering wheel, to make that sort of difference. So that's what we're here to do today, and we'll get through the process and we'll get cracking. So steering wheel straight, we obviously straightened it up before we disconnected the battery. Battery is safely disconnected, negative terminal is stowed away in a safe place. So now we're going to remove the steering wheel. On the Mercedes, you've got two soft nipples each side. You need to penetrate those to release the spring. That will release the airbag, and then you can get to work with releasing the rest of the connections. So here you have the steering wheel on the vehicle. As you can see, total transformation over the older one. So we've got 3K silver trim, carbon fibre at the top, bottom, low trim, button surround portion of the wheel. We've maintained the customer's original silver buttons, so obviously we can tie it in vehicle's existing colour scheme. Black perforated leather grips to match the leather that's in the vehicle, with a matching stitch on the airbag and grips to match the vehicle's interior too. Completed with 3K silver tool carbon fibre, grey, plus and minus to tie it all together. Alright, so we're here today with Andy Ansah. If you don't know about Andy Ansah, he's the owner of Sports on Screen. If you don't know about Sports on Screen, they shoot a lot of big adverts, a lot of Nike stuff. If you're filming anything in the sporting world, 9 times out of 10, it's come through Andy Ansah and his company. We're here today. We've done a bespoke steering wheel for Andy's G63 AMG. Just to show you the original wheel, if I pull this out, that's what we took off. So as you can see, quite plain, quite tired, mixture of leathers, but that's probably the only special thing about it. And we've put on a special custom made one for Mr. Ansah. So a little bit of a reaction video. So no pressure, Andy.
No worries, no worries. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I want to see it.
As soon as you're ready, let's have a look.
Oh my god. Yes, man. This is the nuts. This is the nuts. Damn.
Yeah, it makes...
This is unreal.
A huge difference.
Oh my god.
So, just to talk through the spec.
Yeah, this is ledge.
We actually come down to see Andy a few weeks ago, spoke about what we can do with the car. So first thing, which is probably the most pronounced, is the carbon fibre. So this isn't just an ordinary carbon fibre, this is a 3K silver twill. Chose this twill because it complements the blacks and the greys and the silvers that's already in the car. So with that, we decided to keep the original silver on the buttons too. And then we did the grips and the stitching to all tie in. So we've got a matching stitching colour with the vehicle's already grey stitch interior, and also centre band as well. So yeah.
This is mad. I wasn't expecting this to look like this, honestly.
They look a lot better in the flesh, hands-on.
That's crazy. Yeah. Now this makes the car.
It does.
It's a hell of a wheel. It just feels completely different.
Yeah. I mean, it's what you touch all the time.
Yeah, constantly.
Car. So
this is mad. Appreciate it, James.
No problem.
Appreciate it. It looks
anytime,
wicked, man.
Andy. Anytime.
This is amazing.
Anytime.
This is better than I thought it was gonna be. Honestly.
Yeah, they're good. They're good. They're good.
It just makes it like you just said. This is what you always feel when you get in a car.
Yeah.
And you're always looking at it because you're going straight ahead. This is amazing. I never thought it'd look like this.
Yeah, it's nice, but without being
Too over the
much.
top. Yeah, this
do
is
you
just
know what I mean?
perfect.
Yeah,
It makes a massive difference.
it's a big difference.
Look at this wheel, and you compare what you're paying for a car like this with this wheel, and look at this.
Yeah, and you've still got your heat, you've still
Everything.
got your ACC, you've still got your you've got everything
Wicked.
as normal. So
No, it looks mad.
happy or happy.
And this is that other bit what you said, isn't it?
Yeah, so what we can do, or what we do sometimes on steering wheels, is we'll carbon fibre the whole lot,
Yeah.
and then we'll like paint a matching centre band. So
Yeah,
we could have
yeah.
painted it grey, but because this is like a luxury vehicle, you've got your Napa leathers and stuff. Wanted to incorporate an actual leather centre band
Wicked.
instead of painting it on. So
This is mad.
yeah,
Love it. Appreciate it,
happy
man.
or happy again.
I'm buzzing. I'm not just happy, I'm buzzing with it. It just feels so much different.
Yeah.
The car feels different with this wheel.
It will do, yeah. It will
Wow.
do. It will do.
It looks amazing.
Nah, no problem.
Top man. Thank you very much, brother.
No problem. At least I could
This
do.
looks crazy.
At least I could